Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Laconco is finally spilling the beans on why she reacted rude to Makhumalo on last week's episode of The Real Housewives of Durban when Tobile was introduced as a host for the black tie event. She told Mabusi and Londi that she is friends with Musamseleku's second wife, Umayeni, and that she met Makhumalo at Mayeni's wedding. And that Utobile Makhumalo was very friendly and chatty at the wedding. She said that she was very surprised when Makhumalo came for an interview at a radio station that she worked at back then, and that Makhumalo acted very cold towards her like she's never even met her. She added by saying that she plans on confronting Makhumalo and tell her she's not a fool. She also emphasized that she is not her friend and she doesn't even have her number or follow her on social media. Now, there you have it, guys. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.